Hey, here we are. August 4th. And it's been a week. I've been here since a week ago. Boating while disabled type problem with the back out. Can't go anywhere, so you spend your day flat on your back, hoping it all goes back together. And there they are, the gorgeous cranes. Cannot say how much I enjoy seeing those things. And we're still building over there. Well, they're driving pilings in. So Potomac River. Yeah, this is all looking gorgeous, of course. And they're digging up something or other. Yeah, look at these. Wow. Isn't this amazing? Technology. There they are, setting a rebar in place. All I can say is this is absolutely stunning stuff. Working hard on top. Traffic is kind of backed up. It's rush hour. What is it? It's about we're just past 3:30. You can see all these barges with all the cranes, and that one's driving a piling in right there. Forward. See, my support team is working here, keeping the camera focused. No kidding. This one's driving piles in too. Fascinating how they space it and just barely get the barge in between them. Working. And because those will be low in the water, they don't have much to do, but that's a tall piling. Unless they drive that one down. Oh, that's what they're doing. Those tall ones get driven down. Cool. This is progress is being made. Yeah, see, right shoulder closed. There is no right shoulder. That's one of those little things of life. There is no right shoulder at all. That's really great stuff. They look like conduit. Well, here we are. Okay, folks, here we come. This is Sunday, August 9th, 2021, and we're going from Virginia to Maryland on the Harry Nice Bridge. An hour ago, it was completely blocked. There was an accident, which reminds us why we want the big one, the new one, the beautiful one, the shiny one, because, an accident on one lane shouldn't block the entire bridge. So that's what's happening. And it's very common. The accidents are expected because of the narrow width of the bridge. And people who drift from one lane to another are definitely going to find the other cars. So, yep, there they are. Beautiful cranes. Multicolors. Red, yellow, black. I don't know if there's a green one up there or not. Local gendarme. Let's see, are they working today? I don't see anybody here. Pile drivers on the side. See it forming up. You can actually see where it is, where it's going to be. Oh, it's beautiful. It's wonderful. There are a lot of barges in South Potomac looking to come be pushed up here with plenty of materials. They go through a lot of concrete and steel now. This is wonderful. Oh, cannot, everybody who was sitting in the traffic jam an hour ago is looking over there going, that's what we need. So we have another color to add to our color scheme. Yeah, this is exciting. Big tug and little tugs all pushing that one around, or rather keeping it in place. Southbound traffic's jammed up again. Well, it's still jammed up from the accident, which was cleared. So northbound, for some odd reason, is actually flowing. South is still, what a mess. Now this is 301 is possibly the extension of what might some decades in the future become I-97. This is all solid backup here. You go from 2-lane to 4-lane to 1 lane, but just insanity. And around the bend it goes, up the hill and way out of sight.